Howdy, y'all. Welcome to Granny's Wild Edits. Lord have mercy, today Granny's going full wild. I'm taking a dull, flat sky disaster and turning it into something that stops traffic. Watch me take this boring mess and give it a sky it actually deserves. Buckle up, darlings. Alrighty, just look at this poor thing. That sky is flat as a pancake. No drama, no clouds, no mood, no life whatsoever. The pier has gorgeous lines and that golden sunrise trying to break through, but this blah sky is completely ruining the whole shot. I remember standing there that morning with my camera thinking, Lord, this could be something really special if only this guy would cooperate. You know that frustrating feeling. You do everything right, good composition, nice light, and then the sky just quits on you. I didn't throw the photo away. I brought it home and let it sit for a good long while. Would you believe over a decade? Last year, I finally decided it was time to rescue it. I am real picky about sky replacement. It had to match the light coming from the left exactly. If the light direction is off, the whole thing looks fake and amateurish. I tested several skies that just didn't work. Here's a few examples of bad choices for this one. That neon sky, wrong direction and way too loud. The stormy dark one, completely clashed with the soft golden light. The bright blue puffy clouds, no warmth whatsoever, looked totally wrong for the scene. Then I finally found the winner. This moody sky with clouds rolling in that matched the golden glow from the left perfectly. Then the AI did all of the heavy lifting, masking the old sky clean. But I always check real close to make sure the mask did its job properly. Zooming in, checking every single edge, making sure no part of the pier is poking through and there's no weird halos left behind. Of course, I still had to go in by hand and remove all the distracting bits on the pier. That's one of my biggest pet peeves. After that, I warmed the whole image up gentle-like, added a tiny bit of contrast, brought back that real dawn feeling without overcooking it. Finished with a soft vignette to pull every eye straight to that pier like it was meant to be the star. Here's some real granny pro tips so you don't make the same rookie mistakes I see all the time. Always match the light direction. If the sun is coming from the left in your original shot, your new sky better have light coming from the left too, or it'll look phony as a $3 bill. Keep it realistic. Don't drop a crazy neon sunset into a soft morning scene. It just looks wrong and cheap. Take your time refining the mask. Zoom in and clean up any halos or weird edges. Don't rush this part because it's important. Add a little grain, blur, or haze so the new sky blends naturally with the depth of the original photo. A razor-sharp sky on a dreamy background screams, "I edited this!" And remember, don't overdo the drama. Sometimes a subtle, well-matched sky swap looks more beautiful and authentic than turning it into a full Hollywood production. Always step back, look at it with fresh eyes, and ask yourself honestly, does this feel right? If it doesn't, scrap it and try again. That's how you actually get better at this. So if you've got dull sky shots gathering dust, don't delete them. Send them to Granny. I'll roast them, swap that sky, and turn them into jaw-dropping wall art. Links in the description if you want my help. That's all I've got for today. Hit subscribe for more roast, fixes, and wild magic like this. Ring that bell. You know Granny hates repeating herself. Next up, no more leaning buildings. Thanks for stopping by, sugars. See y'all soon. Granny'll be a-waitin'.